Hi, in this video I'm going to talk a little bit about searching using a block of text. So I'll show you what I mean. So if you open up the search window, one of the options is natural language. Now natural language has some options that you can set. All of these are inherited from your preferences. So if you like your current preferences, you can pretty much ignore those. And then here, close that one too. And then here we just paste a block of text. In this case I've got an abstract from a particular document. And we just search. So what AcclaimIP is going to do is it's going to take this block of text and use it as the query to get these results. Now, the results, when they appear, are more of a ranked list rather than an isolated result. Notice we've got over 7 million documents that match just within these two collections, the US patents and the US applications. And so obviously if we went to the bottom of the list and we looked at the 7 millionth most similar document, it wouldn't be that relevant. So we've done a couple of things that'll allow you to refine this in a much more intelligent way. If we look at the filters, for example, we'll look at this assignee current filter. So that's the current assignee. It's going to be this column. And we can look at that BlackBerry is number 1, Broadcom is number 2. And that is of the first 500. So we are not faceting in these filters on all 7 million documents. We're only faceting on the first 500. And so of the first 500, for example, Broadcom has 27. And so if we checked Broadcom and then click away and then applied that filter, now we are just finding similar documents to this block of text within Broadcom's portfolio. And here's a ranked list. But also we don't see 27 documents because it was 27 of the first 500. We see pretty much their entire portfolio is going to match on some term here, maybe method or something like that. So we're going to get a lot more. But really what's important is the top of the list. And so this sort is fixed, right? So the fixed is the relevance, right? Which is this column here. So this document's the most relevant. And then this one, based on the relevance of the first document, is 91. I don't know if it's percent, but this is the sort of ranked list of similar documents within a single portfolio. And so we can uncheck that and update, and we're back to our original search with the 7 million documents. And we can do the same thing with class. If we wanted to look at the CPC class, we might look at, again, it's going to be from the first 500. Okay, so we could investigate these classes and then say, hey, which documents are the most similar to that source text, maybe within 1 or 2 or just a handful of classes that you think are going to be more targeted. So you have the ability to refine it. You can also refine it by using syntax right in your My Query window, right? So we might want to say it's got to have PDA or handheld device. Okay, something like that, or mobile device. So in other words, documents that are similar to this block of text that must have one of these terms, right? PDA or handheld device, that's a string, or mobile device, and update search. And so now we're going to get far fewer than 7 million because those terms must exist in the document, but we still get 600,000 documents. But the important thing is that this is a ranked list. So if you're going to be reviewing these patents, and this is an application, we can maybe put the claims in focus and just page forward in a reasonable way. We're looking at these documents one at a time by the similarity to this source text and requiring these. So when you get a search result using this technique, you can still refine it, but we're really talking about a ranked list, not sort of a unified set. Hope you enjoy that feature. It's used a lot, very common, incredibly helpful, and enjoy it. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.